Those nights brought out the worst scum of the city. Heavy drinkers, crooked cops, and vicious killers. The dawn of the superheroes should have made the city a safer place to live, but they were soon outlawed, and a new class of criminal was born.
Did you hear about that murder down the docks?
I bet it was one of those super freaks.
Seriously, I heard nothing of this. I hate those super freaks.
Well, it's not as bad as the police.
I want a drink! Now! Yes, yes, sir! Oh. What are you doing?
There must be a book in here about how to defeat a rogue superhero.
I would stay out of it if I were you. You would live for much longer.